Oo, timely nga, pero sayang 6 million.
Sayang 6 million. Magkano din yun?
Ayun yung butas sa bariles na, alam mo yun?
Nangyari kasi dito yun nga eh, di ba?
Buwisit,
Na,
oo.
kumbaga, unconstitutional, dineclare nga ng ESE na unconstitutional, no, yung pagka-disqualify. Pagka-brand, no, as Noah, pagka-disqualify at pagka-brand ng ilang kandidato as Noah Sons, no? In-uphold nila na they should be included dito sa balota sa darating na election. Part dito, si dating representative na si Edgar Erice na tumatakbo ngayon as congressman. Tapos, ayun nga, pati yung sila, yung sa Ilocos Sur, sila Savillana, sila Charles Savillana, yan.
But even Manong Chavit, his, diba, his name will remain in the ballot even though he already withdrew.
Hindi, his name will remain on the ballot before this was decided.
Okay.
So, I think the reprinting, since back to zero sila, yung pinaka-final na talaga.
Kasi dapat meron kasing, meron kasing imposition ng deadlines. Pero feeling ko na meron naman yan. Pero imposition na, hindi ka na pwede mag-disqualify kapag na-print na yung ballots. Kasi it's a...
Hindi, what if kung talagang may breach sa batas, no, or sa regulations ng COMELEC.
They should have known.
They should have known.
They should have known the candidate better. It only reveals how incompetent you are at screening these people. Diba? And your incompetence actually, the repercussions of it, you see, 6 billion in wastage. Okay, we're not talking about billions, but even if it's billions, diba, parang somehow it passes just another day. Diba? Ayun.